Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the XIKAYADA brand waxing and polishing buffer. There's a cordless buffer. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like. We're going to test it out on a window, not on my car, just to give you an idea of some of the cross compatibilities that you don't have to just be waxing and polishing your car. So I'm going to test it out to show you something different. And then of course, we're going to let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So let's get it opened up.
All right, so as we get this box open, just going to walk you through some of the parts here. First, you'll find a pretty thick, we'll call it, instruction manual, thicker than usual, but I guess it goes into multiple languages. So just going to walk you through how to kind of put things on, install batteries, all that stuff. So once we get deeper, we'll find a cleaning towel. This looks like a little bag to kind of carry this around in. We're going to have a bunch of different pads. I'll give you a better overview of this as we continue to get stuff out. Some gloves. Looks like the battery, one. Some more pads, attachments. Plug for power. Second battery here. And of course the main device. So let me get the box out of the way. All right, so as you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. But the most important part is obviously right here and how easy this is going to be to operate. So simple on and off switch. We're going to have different speeds on this side. Power, just going to simply plug battery in like so, and then maybe not like so. Thought I had it. Maybe I have it backwards here. Oh, that's definitely the right way, and just needs to get in a little bit, maybe. There we go. A little bit of a pop there to get it in. And then, as you can see, this thing starts running. I'm going to turn it down just so I don't scratch myself up, because on the back of this is kind of a Velcro. And as you can see, you're going to have 3 different colors. I do not have any idea yet what those colors are, but I would assume that means that's a fully charged battery. It's going to get close, and then, hey, change your battery, or there's 3 different levels. And if you've never worked with anything like this before, it's pretty standard stuff. I'm going to just open this one up so you get a feel for it, and just show you exactly how we're going to attach. So you're literally just going to pop that on there. It's going to be Velcro. As you can see, this thing kind of moves around a little bit, which is great. So I always just kind of would tell you to just affirm it there, and then now it's on. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works, but with a window. But I do want to show you, you're just going to pop that off. And as far as charging, let's see, it looks like we're going to kind of just fill that hole right there and plug in. So you'll just plug in both of these one at a time to get them fully charged up. And that way you've got 2 great 12.6 volt batteries with 2.5 AH, so decent amount of time available. So let's start walking through the exact cleaning process that I'll be using. All right, so if you're anything like me, you're pretty lazy when it comes to your cleaning products, and so I'm going to show this buffer kind of cleaning both a patio door and a table, just because it's a lot easier than burning through a ton of paper towels, and also it leaves less streaks in my opinion. So let's show you this. All right, so for me, it's far easier to just give it a couple sprays like so. Turn this thing on. Now they do say for 5 and 6, that's going to be kind of your really heavy buffing stuff out. 4 and 3 are going to be kind of a cleaning and a polishing, and 1 and 2 are going to be your cleaning. I'm going to use it at about 3, just to give you an idea. And while that dries a little bit, just from our demonstration here, I'm going to show you another spot to clean and show you just the difference. So as you imagine, you'll have to clean this every once in a while, or order a new one. I would just throw it right in the washing machine, quite frankly, if not just soaking it. But it immediately takes off kind of all that dirt, so the grime just goes away with a quick spray and a clean. So again, in the corners you might need to kind of get the paper towels out if you need to, but for me, like, for furniture, I use this thing whenever I can, or things like this, because it's just easier, and does a great job for me. So let's go ahead and check this back out. As you can see, it's starting to clean up or dry up. Hopefully you can see that it still is clear, without streaks. It hasn't fully dried up yet, so it'll take more time. But to me, I absolutely love this, and it makes my cleaning projects a lot easier. And you can do it on glass, you can do it on the actual furniture. This thing's got a sander, so it's just a full capability product. So to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.